PDF Guru is a powerful AI-driven PDF summarizer that's just been released. And if you're looking for an efficient way to handle long PDF documents without losing valuable time, this software could be your game changer. In this video, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about PDF Guru and why it's quickly gaining attention as one of the best new AI tools out there. First off, PDF Guru is designed to take any PDF document, process it using advanced AI algorithms, and then give you a condensed summary in just seconds. Imagine being able to skim through a 50-page PDF without having to read every single word. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or anyone who deals with large documents, PDF Guru can save you hours of time. The AI technology behind it doesn't just extract the basic info. It's smart enough to provide a meaningful summary, ensuring you don't miss out on critical details. Now, let's talk about accuracy. A huge benefit of PDF Guru is its ability to maintain accuracy while summarizing content. Many other summarizers can strip away important context or nuance, but PDF Guru does a great job of capturing key points while keeping the integrity of the original text intact. This is one of the things that makes it stand out in the market. Whether you're reviewing research papers, legal documents, or business reports, you can trust that the summaries will reflect the essential ideas, making it perfect for professionals who need reliable results quickly. Another great feature is the user interface. PDF Guru's design is incredibly intuitive. No steep learning curve here. You can start summarizing your PDFs with minimal setup. It's accessible for both beginners and experienced users, which is a big plus in today's tech-heavy world, where complicated tools can sometimes create frustration rather than provide solutions. If you're concerned about the quality of the summaries or the fact that it's an AI-driven tool, rest assured that PDF Guru continuously improves as you use it. The AI adapts to your preferences, learning how to better summarize according to the specific type of documents you work with most. This ensures that the more you use it, the better the results get. What's also impressive is its speed. PDF Guru works fast, even with large documents. A feature like this can save so much time, especially when you're working with time-sensitive projects or need to get through multiple documents in a short period. While there are other summarization tools on the market, few can match PDF Guru's blend of speed and quality. Another benefit is accessibility. PDF Guru is available across multiple platforms, which means you can use it wherever you are, whether on your desktop, laptop, or mobile device. This cross-platform functionality makes it easier to integrate into your workflow, especially if you're someone who juggles multiple devices throughout the day. Lastly, the pricing. While many similar AI tools charge hefty subscription fees, PDF Guru is currently offering a free version that allows you to get a feel for the software and test its capabilities. If you're looking to dive deeper, there are also premium features that provide more advanced functionalities, but you don't have to commit until you've seen what it can do for you. You can try PDF Guru for completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. After testing out thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my recommended software that you can try, and PDF Guru is definitely one of the standouts for anyone who frequently deals with PDFs. So if you're tired of spending hours reading through long documents and want to make your life easier, give PDF Guru a try today and see how it can help you summarize faster, smarter, and more efficiently.